Hey, what's going on, everyone? Before we get started, make sure you go over and join the Work at Home Lounge. Always like to tell you guys about that amazing group over there on Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, don't fret. Just continue to follow my Work at Home job blog. I update it daily or every other day, okay? But there are some things that I post exclusively in the group, okay? It's 100% free, so if you have a Facebook account, I highly recommend that you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge. Just make sure you answer the 3 questions and that you have a profile picture, okay? Now, for those of you out there that are looking to make some extra cash from home, I want you to keep in mind this is not a part-time job. This is not a full-time job. This is literally a side hustle, okay? There are a lot of people who actually do this while they're working another gig, okay? This is only for some quick little spending cash, okay? The reason why I say that is because number one, the job is really, really easy. All you'll be doing is listening to recorded phone calls. I don't work for this company. However, I work in the same exact field. I told you guys that yes, I do YouTube. Yes, I'm a travel business owner. Yes, I have a blog, but I still am an independent contractor and I do call reviewing. Okay. I do call reviewing for a private client. A lot of people always ask me, who exactly do I work for? I am literally the only call reviewer for this company, okay? But this is exactly the same scope of work that I do. I listen to recorded phone calls where customers call in and they have a conversation with a customer service representative, and I am the person who listens to the pre-recorded phone call, and I basically go in and I categorize what type of phone call it was. Was it a lead? Was it somebody who was requesting service? Was somebody looking for a quote on something? Was somebody, did somebody have a scheduling question? Those are the types of things that I categorize. Or was it spam? Was it a telemarketer? Really, really simple work, you guys. The thing about this, again, this is not a part-time job. It's not a full-time job. It is a side hustle because some of the phone calls you may only make 2 to 3 cents per phone call that you listen to. But I know that may sound really low. However, you have to think about it. Some of these calls can literally take you less than a minute to listen to. So if you can get through a lot of them within a day, you can average about, maybe $1 to $4.50 in maybe an hour. Okay. I know $4.50 an hour doesn't sound like a lot, but if you're doing another job and you're sitting on your couch, okay, this is something that you can do while you're sitting on your couch, okay, with some headphones on, watching TV with one, earbud in one ear and you're watching something on Netflix, or something. This is literally something you can do while you're sitting on the couch. So you're not going to make a ton of money, which is why I say this is for those people who either are just looking for something extra to do to make some a little bit of extra gas money or something, or if you're just looking to do something while you're passing time sitting in front of the television watching TV. Okay, you can make some extra spending cash. But again, side hustle, not a part-time job, definitely not a full-time job. Okay. You do need to, when you get over there, because they're going to pay you via PayPal, okay? You definitely need to verify your PayPal account, okay? You have to verify your PayPal account, all right? PayPal is 100% free, so if you do not have a PayPal account, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. It's very easy to go over and set up a PayPal account, and again, it is 100% free. And again, you can do this as much or as little as you like, okay? You do not have any set hours. So just say, for instance, you decide, today I'm not doing anything. I'm going to be binge watching some shows on Netflix. So I'm going to do some call reviewing on this website today to see if I can make an extra $10, $15. Okay, this is just me throwing something out there. Or maybe even $20 if you do it all day, literally. You don't have to sit in front of your computer for a certain amount of time. You can log on and log off as you choose, okay? But they do have a time where they have the largest volume of calls that come through, and that's between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to pick up more calls, you can definitely log in during those hours in order to get a higher volume of calls. I know for me, for example, I get a lot of leads that come in around, actually mine start coming in about 5 a.m. Central Standard Time until about 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I'm literally flooded. So I don't sit in front of the computer all day working that. What I do is I'll work just say from 5 until maybe 9 or so. And then I'll do my other thing. I'll work my travel business, or I'll update my blog or something like that. And then I'll go back to my call reviewing. Okay. That's the beauty of this business. That's one of the things that I love about the call reviewing, is that the calls are pre-recorded. I don't have to be live on the phone with anyone. I don't have to talk to anyone. I literally just listen to a phone call that was already recorded between a customer service representative and a customer, and I basically just categorize it with the proper category, submit it, and move on to the next call. And again, for me personally, because I've been doing it for so long, some of these things, when I listen to it, I can probably listen to the first 10 or 15 seconds and I already know what the customer is wanting. So I can go ahead and categorize it. So once you get better with this, they start to pay you more per call. Okay. From what I understand, they said they can go up from 5 until 10 cent. I don't know if it does it any more than that, but you can start to really make, I'm not going to say some good money, but you can make some nice little side hustle cash by doing this when you get better at what you're doing. Because again, like I said, I've been doing this for years. So within the first 10, 15 seconds, I already know what the customer wants. I can categorize the call and I can move on to the next one. Okay. I don't get paid per call. However, with this one, when you start to get really, really good at it, you can start to make more money. I get paid by the hour. So again, go over and apply for this. I'll write a whole blog post about it and you guys can go and sign up. You don't have to have any experience. That's another thing that's great about this. If you know somebody out there that is looking to make some little quick cash, so say for instance, you have somebody that's in college or maybe a high school student or something, they can log in here. I don't know. I need to go and check the age. I'll put the age in the blog post that they can work for this particular company. But if you're looking to make some quick cash, like I said, maybe $10 a day while you're sitting in front of your TV, or even while you're doing your main job. I mean, it's literally that easy. You can have an earbud in one ear and work in your other job and be making some side hustle cash, okay? So check the blog post in the description box down below. And again, don't forget to come over and join the Work at Home Lounge. I am loving that group, you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.